All right, so here's the tent. It was pouring last night. I left it out. I wanted to see if this bad boy is waterproof, and we're gonna give it a shot and take a look. Let's see. All right, we just opened it. Let's take a look if we have water. Ah, we do. Oh, damn it. Well, in the front, that could have splattered in from the door when I opened it, but not that. You have water all inside there. See it? I'm moving it. Where did it come from? Not good. Oh well. Close. See, we definitely got water. So probably what happened is probably came in from the top, which I find difficult because I put the cover on, and you can clearly see this would definitely have gotten water on the inside. But it didn't seep through. I'm not sure how that happened. I'm gonna let it dry out today.
And that's Riley's feet sticking out of her tent.